Hi everyone, Brian from Pivotal here. Last video we took a look at getting up and running with Riff on top of Minikube, and today I want to walk through the process of installing it on top of Google's Kubernetes engine. Let's take a look. GKE makes setting up a Kubernetes cluster simple. For our demo, we'll give it a name and keep everything else to their default values. When our cluster is ready, we can copy the login command straight from the GKE console and paste it into our terminal. This will fetch the cluster endpoint and authentication data, and then set up a kubeconfig entry for our new cluster. Next, we'll install Riff using Helm, just like we did on Minikube. We'll initialize Tiller, tell Helm about the Riff repo, update its local cache, and then install Riff. You'll notice that the Riff HTTP gateway also receives an external IP. This will be important later once we're ready to test our function that we've deployed. The build process for a function is a little different since we'll be using the Google Container Registry to store our container image. We'll use the Docker CLI to build and tag our image, and the gcloud CLI to push it to GCR. Note the name of the container, consisting of the address to GCR, your project name, container name, and version tag. Before we can apply our function, we'll need to update our function's YAML file to point to the new image location, providing the same container name that we did when we pushed it to GCR. Once updated, we can use the riff apply command to deploy our function and our topic. Now we can reference that external IP given to our gateway and use it to call our function. We'll do a basic post to the echo shell function, provided some data, and see our expected result returned back to us after the pod is spun up. I hope this video was helpful in showing another way that Riff can be deployed to any Kubernetes cluster, local or hosted. Make sure to check the links below for more information on Riff, as well as a link to a repository with a few additional demos. Thanks for watching.